In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an affiliate program in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the very top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the search field, type Up Promote Affiliate and press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. In the Shopify App Store, look for the app called Up Promote Affiliate Marketing. Click on it, then install the app and follow all of the on-screen installation prompts. Once the installation is complete, you'll be redirected automatically to the Up Promote Affiliate dashboard inside your Shopify admin. On the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin, you'll now see Up Promote Affiliate. Click on it, and under that menu, select Programs. You'll see a default standard affiliate program already created for you. Click on that program to start editing it. Inside the program settings, you'll start with the general information. Here, you can edit the name and description of your program if you want to customize it for your brand. Make sure the program status is enabled with the toggle switched on so affiliates can actually join and earn. Next, set your commission rules. You can keep it simple with a fixed commission where you choose the type, such as percent of sale, flat rate per item, or flat rate per order, and then set the exact percentage or amount. If you prefer more control, use the advanced option to create commissions based on order values. In that section, you can define levels with specific order value conditions and matching commission values. You can also set special product commissions if certain items should pay a different rate. Under advanced commission options, decide whether to enable features like new customer commissions, lifetime commissions, or special coupon commissions. You'll also see options to set up auto discounts for customers, choose products or collections that are excluded, and decide whether to exclude product tax, shipping tax, and tips from the commission calculation. There's also a toggle to exclude self-referrals, which prevents affiliates from earning commission on their own purchases. Finally, set your payment methods and choose a default method for paying affiliates. When you're done making changes, scroll up and click Save near the top. Now, click the back button beside Edit Program to return to your list of programs. Hover over the name of the standard affiliate program and you'll see an icon to copy or get the registration link. Click that icon, then in the pop-up click Copy Link and close the pop-up. Next, let's add this link to your online store so potential affiliates can easily find it. In the left panel of your Shopify admin, click Online Store, then click Edit Theme on your current theme. This opens the theme editor. In the theme editor, choose where you want to place your affiliate link. You can add it to the header, footer, or another section. For this example, we'll add it to the footer. In the left panel, find your footer section and click the right pointing arrow to reveal its blocks. Click Add Block, then choose Text from the options. Click the new text block to open its editing and styling settings. For the heading, you might type something like Affiliate Program so visitors know exactly what it is. In the subtext field, type something like Be an Affiliate. Highlight that phrase, then click the link icon. Paste the registration link you copied from your standard affiliate program into the link text box. If you want, enable the option to open this link in a new window, which can provide a smoother experience for visitors. Click Insert at the bottom of the panel, then click Save at the top right of the theme editor. Now, look at the preview of your store's footer. You should see the Be an Affiliate hyperlink. Click it to test that it opens the affiliate registration page from Up Promote. Once you've confirmed everything works, your Shopify store now has a fully functional affiliate program link live for your potential partners.